Welcome to Makerspace URI's video tutorial, Intro to Canva. Canva is an open source template design program with both a free and paid for pro version. Today I will be showing you the basics of how to create an Instagram post from a template. To start, click on the Create Design button at the top of your screen. You will see that you can start with custom size or select one of the many templates that are available. I will be selecting Instagram post and click on that. At first, it will bring up a blank canvas, but if you go to the left side of your screen, you can select from one of the many templates that are available. You can click on the arrow to see more options, or another possibility is to type in a keyword to search. This will bring up a selection of templates based on that word. You can scroll through your options until you find one that suits your need, and once you do, you're going to click on that, and it will open. As you hover over portions of the template, you will notice that there are editable text blocks and graphic images. Like other programs, you will either click on or highlight the area that you want to change and type in your new word. For this tutorial, I am going to be creating an Instagram post highlighting our new YouTube video, Intro to Canva. As you will see throughout this tutorial, everything in this template is either editable or customizable. At the top of the screen, you will notice a toolbar that allows you to make further edits to your highlighted area. In the case of text, this includes your font, font size, color, and style. Now, say I want to change the size and location of the Makerspace URI font. Right now it is grouped, so in order to do that, I need to click Ungroup, click off of it, and then select it. Now I can move it separate from the rest of the fonts. I can further adjust the size by scaling the box, highlighting it, and changing the font size. I can also grab the corner of the box and scale it further from there. So let's say now that I want to change some of the colors of my template. I can select the background and go up to this color swatch here and select a different color. I can also create a new color by selecting the rainbow swatch and picking a color that I want to use. It is also possible to change the graphic images on the template. As you will see at the bottom here, you can select this graphic, and you will notice that there is this icon here that says Remove Watermarks. This is because this is a paid-for image. Though you can purchase it, another option is to remove it by clicking Delete. By going to your left toolbar, Canva has an Elements section that will allow you to add many free elements. Again, we can type in a keyword of what we are searching for, and Canva will bring up a variety of options for us. You will notice that some of the elements have crowns next to them. That is because these are pro elements and will cost money. However, there are several free elements as well, so you can scroll through until you find an image that you want to use. Once you find an element that you want to use, you can select that image by clicking on it and it will drop it onto your canvas. You can then start to make adjustments to it, such as scaling it by grabbing the corners and moving it into position. You will notice that the element is in front of our text right now, so in order to change that, we can select Position and move it backwards. We can continue to make changes to this element by selecting a new swatch color for it, and can further adjust that color by changing its transparency. Finally, we can move our element into its desired location by clicking and dragging it into position. Even elements that look more complex like this one can be changed. The circles on this element are this color right here, so we can click on that to change the color by selecting a different swatch. You can even change the color of the gradient in the image by selecting one of the two color swatches that make it up and changing that to a different swatch color. It is also possible to rotate selected elements by grabbing the circle icon here and moving it around. All of these minor tweaks can really start to make this template your own design. One final feature I will show you is the effects panel. This will allow you to add effects to various elements on your template. By clicking the Effects menu, you can change your selected area to have different features. These effects can be further altered by using the slide ruler to change the intensity of the effect. As Canva is very user-friendly, I would highly encourage you to explore the different elements further and see what you can create. Once you are satisfied with your design, you can download it by clicking the Download button and changing it to the file format that you need. So there you have it. Reach out to Makerspace URI with any questions, and happy making!